Hey, what's going on guys? So the Team Fortress 2 TF2 servers are not working. Here you can see this is the error I'm getting. The server you are trying to play has lost the connection to the item server. As a result, your loadout will be not available on this server. Let's check it out now. What's really going on? When the servers will be back up and running? Without a further ado, let's check it out all the details. Alright guys, so there are tons and tons of people who are reporting that this error is occurring to tons and tons of people. The TF2 servers are not loading as of right now. So what's really going on guys? Let me show you all the latest details and what's really going on. So here you can see guys, TF2 servers are down right now, and this is pretty apparent right here onto the Twitter. Here you can see guys, 1 minute ago at this point I wanted to stop supporting TF2 server not working, TF2 OG update, and the TF2 get updated page is saying it has been 16 hours and Valve doesn't fix this one. So we already know that if they don't care about the item server, much less than they are going to care about the current state of the game Lamau. Someone help TF2 servers. Check this out guys, how many people are reporting that the Team Fortress 2 servers are not working, and this is the same exact error occurring to tons and tons of people. So let me show you all the latest update right here onto the TF2 get updated page right over here. Now this is the page who gets the latest update regarding the game. So here you can see guys, 16 hours ago, and this error is occurring to tons and tens of people. There are reports that item servers have been having issues for hours on the community servers and Valve official servers matchmaking as well. And this is all happening due to the Team Fortress 2 update, and this is the update they have been working on. They have fixed the server crash related to past time, and there are tons and tons of updates into this new patch right over here. You can read it out, and most importantly, this patch has been going on since 16 hours ago. Here you can see guys, they have been trying to fix the game, but apparently the game is taking so much long. And check this out guys, TF2 servers are down. Many people are upset about it. They are thriving for the TF2 servers, and let's check it out now. What's really going on? When the servers will be back up and running? What's the Valve has to say about it? Well, let's check it out. So well guys, as of right now I don't see any particular latest update regarding the TF2. Many people are reporting that servers are down, and let's check it out the latest update right from the Valve software. So do they got any latest update? And well guys, right over here into the replies to the Valve official, well, as of right now we didn't have got any sort of a latest update, neither they have got any post regarding this TF2 update. And apparently I tried to check it out all the details, but there is no latest update regarding the games. Once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.